subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Today I wanted to cook with you guys honey butter fried chicken. And oh my god, I know it sounds really extravagant or like it might be a little hard, but trust me, this is not going to be hard. It's just going to be following a few steps and then making a sauce that's going to take this chicken from just a basic fried chicken to over the top with that honey butter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you do make this recipe for your family at home, I hope you let me know in the comments down below or send me a message. I always love when you guys send me messages showing me that you guys tried the recipes for your family. If you're here and you love cooking with me videos, so make sure you give me a big thumbs up so I can keep these coming for you guys. So I have here just some chicken legs. I currently only have olive oil, so that's what I'm going to be frying my chicken in. So you can fry with whatever oil you want to use, but obviously I know olive oil kind of like burns fast, so I'm going to have to be cooking this on a low temperature but for a little bit longer period of time. So I'm going to be making it work with what I have in the kitchen right now. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let's go ahead and get on to it. Alright guys, so I got the chicken ready.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly.
So I'm gonna let this marinate and do its thing for about between 1 to 2 hours. You could do an hour and a half. Let it marinate in the seasonings. Work on a wet flour mixture that we're gonna dump in here next, and then that's what we're really gonna leave it in there all day until it's time to fry. So let's go ahead and start working on that next, our wet mixture. Why do I always like leave stuff open, you guys, in my videos? It drives me insane. If you have ADHD, you like totally understand what I'm coming from, but like I always leave stuff open. I need to finish putting stuff away. I keep telling myself like, oh, I keep telling myself that I'm gonna do clean as I go type things, but I always have brain farts and I never remember to do that. So yeah, or it could be the large amounts of pumpkin spice lattes I'm having today. It's Tuesday, so it was like upload day and also filming day for me. I noticed I'm working on this new schedule that Catherine Manning, who I love as a YouTuber so much, I've been getting a lot of tips from her on how to grow my channel. Guys, I'm really excited is that I bought a new lens for my camera, a wide angle lens. I think it's gonna like open up the space that I'm recording with. It says that it was supposed to be coming in today or tomorrow, so I'm gonna keep an eye out for that. Hopefully the vlogs will start looking a little bit better. Just took some pictures right here in my little fall corner. My husband's gonna love this dinner, you guys. So let's go ahead and keep on cooking because it's already gonna be 2 o'clock, and I like to have dinner done and ready by 4:30 the latest. That way I can actually have the kitchen clean and not be eating like a late dinner and then cleaning the kitchen late and then going to sleep late, because then it's just like I feel late all for the rest of the day catching up, and I'm exhausted by the time I go to sleep. So what helps me is cooking dinner early and then cleaning up right after, like the dishes, putting everything away from the stove, and by the time my husband comes home, like we literally just eat what's on our plates, clean it up, and then we go to bed. That has been working so much. So I'm gonna be adding in some flour to my bowl. That's about a cup and a half of flour in here. Garlic powder. I went in with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm also going to do some salt and pepper. About half a teaspoon. and then 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add in a little cayenne pepper in there because I want it to be a little spicy but not too much. So I'm going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm going to go ahead, now that everything is in the bowl and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and mix it all together. Here you guys, I'm going to go ahead and add in some pickle juice. And some milk, you guys. I was recording, guys, but I added water and milk. It's gonna be basically the brine or what the chicken's gonna sit in for the rest of the day. So I got my chicken. Pour in this sauce. And we're just literally pouring it all over our chicken. It's submerged in this, basically this flour mixture. With all those yummy seasonings and the pickle juice and the milk. I feel like it's going to make sure that the chicken is super moist, and it also, I know some people put hot sauce in here too, but since I'm going to give this to cayenne, I'm not trying to make it like super spicy, but you can do as you wish. I feel like with the cayenne, that's more than enough. This is what it is looking like. So now I'm going to leave it covered for another 2 hours. This heavy whipping cream. Now I'm just gonna let the olive oil heat up for a little while, and while that heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up all the mess that we've been making, because I'm trying to clean up as I go, you know? chicken. A plane. And then I'm just gonna make sure it's being tossed. And it looks like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the fryer.
Girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation. Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah.
Alright, you guys, so our fried chicken dinner is done. It looks super delicious. The chicken is really, really good. All that's left to do is make the honey butter sauce. Alright, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of this hot sauce, and here is the honey. I'm gonna add honey right now. Ooh. And I'm gonna keep whipping it. Whipping it. And here's the sauce that we're looking for. Nice. And if you look closely, it glistens. It literally glistens. So freaking pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.